Financial education is the key to success. It empowers people to make informed decisions about their money, helping them avoid common financial mistakes and take advantage of opportunities that can lead to growth and financial stability. Hi, my name is Robert Kiyosaki, and I'm going to share with you my thoughts on the importance of financial education, a path to success. It's all about understanding how money works. This includes knowing how to budget, save, invest, and manage debt effectively. With a solid financial education, you can plan for the future, whether it's buying a house, starting a business, or saving for retirement. You can learn to make money work for you. By understanding the principles of investing, you can grow your wealth over time. This means not just working for money, but making your money work for you through smart investments and passive income streams. Without financial education, you'll always struggle. Many people live paycheck to paycheck, constantly stressed about their finances. They may fall into debt, make bad investment decisions, or fail to save adequately for the future. It doesn't matter how much money you make. If you don't know how to manage it, you can still have financial problems. People with high incomes can find themselves in debt just as easily as those with lower incomes if they lack financial literacy. You need to know how to manage it. This means creating a budget, tracking your expenses, and setting financial goals. It also involves understanding taxes, insurance, and other financial products that can impact your financial health. Financial education teaches you how to build wealth. It's not just about earning money, but about growing it and preserving it. This includes learning about different investment options, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and retirement accounts. Many people follow traditional advice. They go to school, get a job, and save money. But this isn't enough. In today's complex financial world, you need to go beyond the basics to achieve true financial security. They go to school, get a job, and save money. But this isn't enough. You need to understand how to grow your money. This involves learning about investments, understanding the stock market, and knowing how to diversify your portfolio to minimize risk. You need to understand how to grow your money. Investing is important. By putting your money into assets that appreciate over time, you can build wealth and achieve financial independence. Real estate and stocks can build wealth. These are two of the most common investment vehicles that can provide significant returns if managed wisely. Understanding the risks and rewards of these investments is crucial. Financial education gives you the tools for success. It equips you with the knowledge and skills needed to make smart financial decisions, avoid debt, and build a secure financial future. You can achieve financial freedom. With the right education and mindset, you can take control of your finances, reduce stress, and enjoy a more prosperous life. It all starts with learning about money. Take the time to educate yourself about personal finance. Read books, attend seminars, and seek advice from financial experts. Don't be afraid to learn new things. The financial world is constantly evolving, and staying informed is key to making the best decisions for your financial future. Take control of your financial future. Start today by committing to your financial education and watch your financial health and wealth grow over time. Growing up, I was taught to work hard and save. My poor dad believed in a steady job and avoiding risks. This traditional advice no longer leads to financial freedom. Today, we need new ways to build wealth. My rich dad taught me about financial education. He understood the power of making money work for you. Financial education is about taking control of your money. It's not about depending on a job for security. Traditional advice keeps you trapped. You trade your time for money. Financial education helps you break free. Learn to create passive income, build a business, invest wisely. The Cash Flow Quadrant shows how people make money. There are 4 quadrants: employee, E, self-employed, S, business owner, B, and investor, I. Each quadrant represents a different way of earning income. Employees work for someone else. They trade their time for money. This limits their earning potential. Self-employed people own their jobs, but they still trade time for money. To achieve financial freedom, you need to move to the right side of the quadrant. Business owners and investors create wealth through systems and investments. Employees and freelancers face limitations. They trade their time for money. This means their income is limited by the hours they work. They have less control over their financial future. Employees depend on their employers for income. They have limited earning potential and job security. Freelancers have more control, but they still work long hours. They often face high taxes and responsibilities. To achieve financial freedom, you need to escape the trap of trading time for money. This requires a change in mindset and a willingness to learn new skills. Building a business or investing can provide passive income opportunities. Section 5. Business owners and investors creating wealth. In this section, we'll explore how business owners and investors approach wealth creation in unique and effective ways. Business owners and investors create wealth differently. Business owners often focus on building companies that can grow and thrive over time. They don't trade time for money. Instead, they look for ways to maximize their time and resources. They leverage systems and investments to generate income. These systems can include technology, efficient processes, and talented teams working together to achieve common goals. This allows them to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. Financial freedom doesn't just mean having money, but also having the time and freedom to enjoy life. Business owners create systems that generate income. These systems can be automated or managed by teams, allowing owners to focus on strategy and growth. They hire employees and build valuable companies. Hiring talented employees is crucial for the success of any business, as they bring new ideas and skills. Investors use money to buy assets that generate passive income. These assets can include real estate, stocks, bonds, and other investment vehicles. This could include real estate, stocks, or businesses. Each type of investment has its own risks and rewards, and investors must be well informed to make sound decisions. Moving to the B and I quadrants requires a mindset shift. It's not just a matter of technical skills, but also developing an entrepreneurial and investment mindset. You must be willing to learn, take risks, and build something of value. Continuing education and a willingness to take calculated risks are essential for success in these quadrants. It's about creating assets that work for you. In the end, the goal is to build a portfolio of assets that generate passive income and allow you to live the life you want. Section 6. The power of passive income. Passive income is money you earn without actively working for it. It's the key to financial freedom. Instead of trading time for money, you create income sources that work for you. There are many ways to generate passive income. Real estate investment is a popular option. Rental properties provide a steady flow of income. Dividend-paying stocks are another option. You get paid for owning a part of a company. Building passive income takes time and effort. You need to learn about different investment strategies. You need to be willing to take calculated risks, but the rewards are worth it. Section 7. Good debt versus bad debt. In today's financial landscape, understanding the difference between good debt and bad debt is essential. It can be the key to unlocking your financial potential and achieving long-term success. Not all debt is bad. In fact, some debt can be a powerful tool when used wisely. It's important to recognize which types of debt can work in your favor and which can be harmful to your financial health. Good debt can help you build wealth. This includes loans that are used to purchase assets that appreciate over time or generate income. For example, getting a mortgage to buy a rental property can provide you with a steady stream of rental income and potential property value appreciation. On the other hand, bad debt can trap you in a cycle of payments. This type of debt usually comes with high interest rates and doesn't contribute to your financial growth. It can lead to stress and financial instability. Understanding the difference is crucial for financial success. By distinguishing between good and bad debt, you can make informed decisions that will benefit your financial future. Bad debt includes credit card debt and high-interest loans. It doesn't generate income and often leads to more debt. This type of debt can quickly become overwhelming and difficult to manage. Good debt, on the other hand, is used to purchase assets that generate income. This could be a business loan to expand your company or a mortgage on a rental property that provides you with rental income. This could include a business loan, which can help you grow your business and increase your income, or a mortgage on a rental property, which can provide you with a steady stream of rental income and potential property value appreciation over time. The key is to use debt strategically. By leveraging good debt, you can reach your financial goals faster and more efficiently. Don't be afraid of good debt. When used wisely, it can be a powerful tool to help you build wealth and secure your financial future. It can help you reach your financial goals faster and more effectively, allowing you to enjoy the benefits of your hard work sooner. But avoid bad debt at all costs. It can lead to financial stress, limit your opportunities, and hold you back from achieving your goals. It will only hold you back. By understanding and managing your debt wisely, you can pave the way to a more secure and prosperous financial future. Section 8. The importance of mindset. Your mindset is crucial for financial success. A positive and proactive mindset opens doors. It helps you overcome challenges and achieve your goals. Successful people have a growth mindset. They are always learning and growing. They see challenges as opportunities. They don't let setbacks stop them. Your thoughts and beliefs shape your reality. If you believe you can achieve financial freedom, you're more likely to achieve it. Cultivate a positive and abundant mindset. Section 9. Take action and never give up. Financial education is not enough. You need to take action. You need to put into practice what you learn, and you need to be persistent. Start by setting financial goals. Then create a plan to achieve them. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Learn from them and keep going. The road to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be obstacles along the way, but with persistence and determination, you can achieve your goals.